Sonke emhlabeni sikuma spiritual journeys angafani. Kodwa collectively it's the same journey kahle kahle. I-journey yokuthi sikhule. It's just that phela si-unique-ke as human beings. Omunye unendlela yakhe ayithathayo. But at the end of the day, we came from the same place and we are going back to the same place. Because sonke singama-particles amancane omdali. A universe, if you wish. So, uma siphila emhlabeni, si-experience ama-life experiences okumele siwa-experience for lawo ma-lessons, and then mase sibuyele emuva futhi sibuyela kuyena umdali, because umdali ungambiza ngawo wonke amagama ofuna ukumbiza ngawo, kodwa uyedwa. It's just that phela thina-ke sihlukene kaningi la emhlabeni-ke. Amanye ama-problems esibhekana nawo emhlabeni, ama-problems are necessary for ama-life lessons wethu. Mhlambe enye into esilibazisayo ukuthi uma sidila nama-problems, ama-problems awapheli. Lokho kwenziwa ukuthi mhlambe nendlela esidila ngayo nawo ama-problems lawo, or mhlambe kwenziwa ukuthi asiwa-accept ama-problems. Uku-accept impilo akuve kunzima ngoba impilo ibukhuni nayo. Uma uhlangabezana nenkinga, the first thing oyenzayo ukubaleka. And then uma ubaleka usuke usaba, usuke ungayifuni leyo problem ukuthi ize kuwena. And then the question becomes ukuthi njengoba ungafuni ize kuwena, ufuna ize kubani? Into ye spirituality i-broad kakhulu. And I don't think ukuthi mhlambe sifundisiwe kabanzi ngayo. Umuntu uyayifundela yona ngendlela. Okungangokuba abantu abaningi for a long time bebenento yokuthi indaba yaka spirituality into yasesontweni kuphela. And then manje sekunalento yokuthi athi umuntu I'm not religious but I'm spiritual. But mawuthi uyayibuka kahle, yonke impilo yethu is spiritual. Noma ngabe umuntu uhamba ngayiphi indlela ahamba ngayo emhlabeni, everything is spiritual because we came back from the source, and it's the same source esizobuyela kuyona futhi uma nathi sesingasekho, sesishonile, lemizimba sesiyilahlile. It's just that indlela esidila ngayo nama-problems uma sisemhlabeni nayo i-influence i-background yethu esikhule kuyona, i-influence i-knowledge esikuyona, i-influence mhlambe na abazali-ke mhlambe yabo nama-communities ethu. Yeah. Kodwa akumelanga ukuthi sigxekane, because umuntu wenza into ayenzayo ngendlela ayenza ngayo because of i-consciousness yakhe ne-vibration yakhe, ukuthi lowo muntu u-exposed kulwazi olungakanani. The more you know about things is the more you become wiser. If usulaphekile ngempela spiritually, because everything is spiritual anyway, if usulaphekile ngempela uya-accept, awubusajaja. Because ngesikhathi sisajaja sidala more chaos. And uma sisajaja sikhombisa ukuthi kwathina futhi asilaphekile. Kodwa-ke mhlambe ngelinye ilanga siyokhula-ke sonke spiritually, because I mean that is the aim, ukuthi mase sibuyele emumva kwisource, sibuyele in the most purest form, ngoba phela lapha emumva uthando into yakhona. Like I was saying ukuthi kuke kwaba nesikhathi sokuthi kuthiwa into yaka spirituality as if into ye religion, kanti that is not the case. Uthando noNkulunkulu uyakuthola noma ngephi, umdali okanombani. It's just that naleyo ndlela leyo hamba ngayo, as long as inothando phakathi, as long as ungajaji, then usumtholile uNkulunkulu. Akumelanga ukuthi uye esontweni ukuthi uthole uNkulunkulu. Mhlambe singazibuza kona singabantu, noma ngabe kuphi-ke kuleyo ndlela esiphila kuyona, eyokuthi esikwenzayo lukhona yini uthando phakathi kuloko esikwenzayo, because uthando liyelapha. Uthando ayikho into elingayelaphi, ngoba uthando lu-strong ngendlela esimangaliso. Uma futhi usulutholile uthando, uba naso isibindi. Lento leyo ukuthi sibe ne-fear about izinkinga iyona yenza ukuthi singalapheki inhlobo-ke, because if unenkinga uyahamba wena uya kumuntu uyosho ukuthi nginenkinga, uhlangana ne-problem, usuyahamba uya kumuntu, and then umuntu naye afika athi nje hayi bayakufuna phansi, then wena usuba nefiye kakhulu. On top of leyo fear usuba ne-anger. Ithini-ke leyo nto? Isho ukuthi usa-vibrate low, you are vibrating even lower than before uye lapho kulowo muntu lowo. Mhlawumbe asikaqondi kahle nge-energy ukuthi ukwelapha umuntu ukumenza umuntu abe happy, ukumenza umuntu abe nothando, bese naye umuntu abe aware ukuthi nanoma yini enye into engiyenzayo-ke kumele ngazi ukuthi it's based around those energies lawo. Bese eyithathela yena isinqumo sokuthi uzothatha impilo yakhe ayibeke ezandleni zakhe, ukuthi on a daily basis abe ne-intention yokuzi-elevator. Kuningi bakithi when it comes to into yokwelapheka nomuntu, nolwazi esinalo esiba exposed kulona, and usually singabantu sinento yokuthi if into mina ngingakaze ngiyizwe kusho ukuthi ayikho. Kusho ukuthi lokho-ke siyajaja-ke, noma ngabe sithi siyamazi kuNkulunkulu-ke mhlambe-ke ngoba sithi-ke thina mhlambe siyakholwa, abanye abangakholwa abarongi. But when you begin to judge, ngoba kwayena lowo uNkulunkulu akafuni ukuthi sijajane, also because yonke into eyenzeka emhlabeni yenzeka ngesikhathi kufanele yenzeke ngaso, yenzeka ngoba kufanele ukuthi yenzeke. So wena if uzomangalena ujaje omunye umuntu ngokuthi lento ayenzayo irongi, kusho ukuthi wena ungubani? Uyayazi yebo imithetho oyaziyo wena ukuthi ibekiwe ukuthi ayenziwe leyo mthetho, but that doesn't mean ukuthi umuntu ongayenzi leyo mthetho urongi, because at the end of the day noma ngabe umuntu wenzani, the soul knows no wrong or right. The soul is just it. Isoul ilento eyiyona, and isoul uNkulunkulu mdali uyayisplitha into these minor souls, and then ngesikhathi ama-souls ethu ezala emhlabeni for ama-life experiences leader ama-spirits wethu ukuthi sizo-experience lama-life experiences esinawo, kusuke kumdali inside, a little particle of umdali kulowo muntu owenza into erongi. Wena uzomangalena ebese uyamjaja lowo muntu, kanti mhlawumbe ukuba usulaphekile ubuzom-extendela uthando. You don't even have to go and hug that person, but uthando lusuke enhliziyweni is more powerful. Ubuzom-extendela mhlambe ngisho i-prayer ngaphakathi enhliziyweni yakho, because the most powerful prayer yileyo oyenza umuntu ungamtshelanga, yileyo oyenza umuntu engazi, because when you pray for another person you are praying for yourself as well. Because if kusakhona umuntu ogulayo kanje yayanga le ndlela agula ngayo, or osenza izinto ezirong ngale ndlela wena ozibona zirong ngakhona, lento isho ukuthi kwasanawe uyagula uqobo lwakho. There is no separation, siyinto eyodwa sonke, because we come from leyo source eyodwa, and masifikela emhlabeni sisuke sihlakazekile nje for ama-life lessons ethu. Lama-life lessons esinawo, indlela esiwabuka ngayo iyona esenzela i-separation, because umuntu ubona ukuthi yena uyashawa yedwa, or ubona ukuthi abanye abashawa. I think into ekusamele ukuthi siyifunde leyo, because maningi ama-problems emhlabeni angeke azaze aphele, wehleze khona ama-problems, kodwa into yoselapha ukuthi sisondelane ndawonye, siyeke ukujajana. I'm happy though ukuthi things are changing, i-consciousness iyaphakama, iyanyuka, i-vibration iyanyuka yomhlaba. We are moving from ama-dimensions siya kwamanye ama-dimensions right, azosiphakamisa sonke sikwazi ukuthi sibe nothando. If futhi uthi uyabuka emhlabeni uyabona ukuthi ushintsho vele kade laqala, it's just that thina besingekho awe besilibona ushintsho, ukuzwe kudala kuthiwa njalo makhona i-generation ekhulayo kuthiwa ley'ngane ziyahlupha, ley'ngane asiyazi lento ezenzayo, thina sasingayenzi leyo nto. Ukukhula komhlaba-ke lokho, ukushintsha kwe-consciousness lokho kwenzekayo, okwenza ukuthi kube ne-generational gap, bese kuba ne-misunderstanding between ama-generations. Kanti ngoba umhlaba uyaphambili awumile, uyohlezi ushintsha umhlaba, ngeke uzuzume ndawonye forever. Thina we just need to adapt ukuthi izinto ziyashintsha, and then we also need to understand ukuthi why izinto zishintsha and how zishintsha lezo zinto, so that thina sizozi-aligna. Because if singazi-aligni nezinto we end up judging. Umhlaba njengoba unyuka u-elevator consciously, u-elevator emqondweni yethu. Thina kumele imqondo yethu siyinakekele, siyikhulise, siyiqinise, ebese futhi siyayinaturisha ngokuthi sifunde. and get on with the program, so that singeke size sisale kakhulu, because mase kumuviwe kwayiwa kwi-4th dimension abanye abantu besele ngasemuva kuzoba nzima, nebazobe sebenyuka ngokushesha isikhathi singasekho, nabo bazozibona sengathi sebeshiwe ngaphandle. Indlela esidila ngayo nama-problems iyohlezi vele i-questionable, because it will take a long time ukuthi sonke sivumelane ngento eyodwa. Kodwa mhlambe mangase sifake nje uthando automatically into esizenzayo iphele nje lento yokujajana. Singajajani, umuntu uma enza into ngendlela ayenza ngayo isikhathi akusona esithi akenze leyo nto, and the fact ukuthi leyo nto is happening, it means ukuthi idaliwe. Doesn't matter ukuthi injani. Uyabona-ke lapho sikhuluma ngothando lwangempela-ke lolo-ke. Sikhuluma ngothando likaNkulunkulu umdali, sikhuluma ngothando le-universe, sikhuluma nge-consciousness. Ukuthi ikephi consciousness as abantu. Yonke into eyenzekayo yenzeka ngoba kusuke kufanele ukuthi yenzeke. What we can do thina ukuthi sibe aware of these things, so that uma zenzeka zingashayi ngendlela ezishaya ngayo. Because if singekho aware, we end up reacting to situations. If ubona into triggerisha and you are reacting kuyona, you are creating more karma ezobuya, because you are not allowed to react. You do react because you have free will anyway, but when you do react with situation, ungekho proactive and accepting of izinto ezenzekayo, when you react, when you are creating more karma, because you are judged. And when you judge, isho ukuthi leyo nto uyaphambana nemithetho ye-universe. I-universe ayifuni ukuthi ujudge ngoba yona iyazi ukuthi yenzani. At some point ngiyafisa kona ukuthi mhlambe ama-organizations asifundise ukuthi sidinga uthando. Sengisho ke lama-organizations are-spiritual, asifundise ukuthi sivule ama-heart chakras ethu. Kungabi ukuthi we just following ama-rules and regulations, siyaguqa manje, siyasukuma manje, siyageza, abanye siyabona, siyahlambulula, kodwa uthanda lukho. Because mangase sivule inhliziyo ngempela. But I'm happy though ukuthi kuyenzeka kancane kancane. Uyakubona nawe ngaphandle manje ukuthi kuyenzeka. I was listening to another podcast ebikhuluma indaba yokuthi izinto ezifana nama-NPOs zizokwanda manje in this era esingene kuyona, because vele sesikwi-Aquarius ke manje i-age yokuthi si-apply le information esiyifundile before. Zonke lezi zinto makukhulunywa ngazo ungazithathi kancane, zikhona ziyenzeka. You just need to be in a position yokuthi uyi-understand, then uzoyibona all around you ukuthi it is happening. People are becoming more compassionate. Ubona ngisho kwi-social media ukuthi abantu sebeyanakekelana. That is because more and more people are opening their heart chakra. Ukuthi basize ubani ngephi kanjani, it doesn't matter, because ungayivula noma ngabe kuphi. Ungenza ngisho yoga, or mhlambe uma une-mentor e-right ekusizayo, then you can do that yenzeke. And the more people bevula ama-heart chakras wabo, the more sizo-unite in the end. Into yasemhlabeni ayingasidivide. Ayingasidivide into yasemhlabeni ukuthi abanye bayasonta, abanye bayizangoma, abanye abasonta endaweni ethize, abanye basonta kwenye indawo. No, because wonke umuntu uNkulunkulu. Wonke umuntu uNkulunkulu ngaphakathi. And umhlaba uze waba kanjena because i-universe ibiplanile ukuthi umhlaba kuzomela ukuthi ume ngale ndlela ome ngayo at this time right now. Also, for me, I've been a spiritual medium for 20 years, and when I started off, ngibe nabantu abaningi ababegxeka because bona bengakholelwa kulento, and yet mina I didn't choose this thing, yavele yazenzakalela. Futhi labantu akade bengixoxa bebenga-understand mina ukuthi mina angigxilile ekutheni ngenza ngi-entertainer amadlozi. I'm just listening to my problems out and setting them free and sending them back to God. But that part no one understood, and no one even had time to understand it and know about it. To know this is what I am about. Umuntu will come and attack you because lento yenzayo ayihlali kahle kuyena. And yet when I'm attacking ngaleyo nto leya yenzayo. So ekusebenzeni kwami mina nemoya yabantu abadala, I understood ukuthi ifika kuthina yenze ama-problems amaningi empilweni zethu. I also understood ukuthi asifani emhlabeni, siney'nkinga ey'ngafani. njengoba singafani futhi ama-problems angeke size siwa-sort out ngendlela efanayo sonke, and ama-methods angeke asebenze kuwona wonke umuntu. Different people, different methods. Akekho, there is no like one size fit all here. And manje I understand more than I did 20 years ago. I do understand manje ukuthi akulona kuphela idlozi elisi-affectayo, kunemimoya yama-planet esi-affectayo. That is why uthola ukuthi umuntu uba ne-problem this year or 2 years in a row, and then on the 3rd year isiphelile leyo problem yakhe. Or maybe umuntu uba ne-problem esena-29, and then at another maybe 9 years later, because ama-planets nama-positions aneminyaka ayithathayo, bese kuba khona amanye-ke ayaye amuve mhlambe month by month or week by week. Vele there's always movement in the planets, yabo. So lento iyenze ukuthi umqondo wami wavuleka mina kakhulu, nga-understand ukuthi asifane because of ama-lessons esiwazele la emhlabeni. But that doesn't mean ukuthi njengoba singafani asiyona into eyodwa. That is where it gets complicated, because siyinto eyodwa kodwa ama-journeys wethu ahlangahlangene. The one thing kodwa that can unite us, uthando lomunye umuntu, uthando olusuka enhlizweni. Because umuntu uma umbona enzekelwa into ebuhlungu ngisho ungamazi kuba buhlungu enhlizweni yakho, angithi? Yes, kuba khona leyo nto leyo, because we are connected somehow. The thing is, when you judge someone, you're judging yourself. When you love someone, you're loving yourself. When you hate someone, it means you don't love yourself. So if we can expose ourselves kule zinto ezenzekayo njengamanje emhlabeni, si-understand ukuthi sikwi-era yokuthi sisebenzise le knowledge esiyifunde ngesikhathi kuvuleleka i-internet kule era esibuya kuyona. Manje we are fully into this Aquarian age yokuthi sisebenzise leya knowledge esayifundayo ngalesa sikhathi. Bekusayisikhathi sokuthi si-accumulate i-knowledge. Manje people are applying that, and yonke leyo nto yenziwa i-universe, i-orchestrate everything. I-orchestrate ngisho ama-problems lawa esiwafaceayo ama-ancestors. My experience has taught me ukuthi kune-generation ethathe ama-ancestral problem yenza sengathi iyona kuphela into esidalela inkinga emhlabeni. Like I was saying the other day ukuthi uthola ukuthi ngisho umuntu egula ebanjiwe, kunabantu abamthatha bamyise esangomeni kunokuthi bamqalise kadokotela athole i-drip abuyelwe amandla kuyima kuyiwe esangomeni. And I am not saying that is wrong, but for me, if kufika umuntu ephethwe kanjalo, I always say ukuthi akaqale esibhedlela lo muntu, because I understand ngokwami ukuthi lo muntu usuke seku-worse, sekumele ukuthi the last place i-problem ezimanifesta ngayo ikwi-physical body. I-problem iqala in the spiritual world. I-problem iqala kwi-energy, iyenze i-imbalance ne-misalignment, and then-ke ngoba-ke isuke i-neglectiwe, iqhubeke-ke izizo-affecta-ke this physical body. And manje mayisilapho kusho ukuthi sekuwesi ngempela, sekungasekugcineni, sekudingeka i-intervention. On the same note futhi, I'm not saying ukuthi asikho mhlambe akekho i-healer engamvusa umuntu eselele phansi. Ikhona, it's just that mina I can't, because okwami it's not ukuvusa umzimba as such. Okwami ukuxhumanisa nalabo abantu abadala, silungise bona, siba-release futhi nabo baphindele kwisosi, bayohlala bakhululeke khona nathi sizosala sikhululeke la emhlabeni siphila impilo zethu ezinhle ezimnandi. I think we are living in the exciting times right now. Yeah, it is wonderful to be alive at this time. Astrologically kuthiwa manje singena esikhathini esingakaze sibe khona in a very long time. Kunesikhathi esizayo in a couple of months abathi seloku sagcineka about 500 years BC. Can you imagine ukuthi izinto ezizokwenzeka manje, izinto esingakaze size sizibone, ongekho umuntu ophilayo ke wazibona. So if kunezinto ezenzekayo ungazazi, ungathuki, ungasho ukuthi hayi asikwazi ke lokhu, hayi sebenza kanjena. No, kuzokwenzeka, and I know ukuthi kuzokwenzeka, sekwenzekile. Manje wena okwakho ukuthi ungagxeki kakhulu, I don't want to say ukuthi ungagxeki because isikhona izinto ey'thusa ngempela ubona nawe ukuthi yabona-ke lena-ke yabo, but it is what it is, as long as you don't damage yourself in the process. Because sometimes omunye umuntu ukhipha i-hate, ukhipha ama-energies amambi towards another, towards a situation, uzubone nawe ukuthi-ke kwayena-ke lento manje siyam-affecta-ke yabo. Sometimes kunama-energies okungafanele ukuthi uwa-entertain kakhulu. If you can uhluleke ukuzibamba, send love. Isikhathi esiyofika lapho siyokwazi ukuthi sithumele uthando kuma-situations esibhekene nawo, yilesi sikhathi oyusibone sibhalwe emlandweni ukuthi this is the aim yokuthi senze lokhu, yokuthi sibe nothando, ukuthi sithande, sithandane. Leso sikhathi leso kube kuwukuthi sesilaphekile, sesiphilile sonke. And kukhulunywa ngako kakhulu nje indaba yothando nokwelapheka, uNkulunkulu uyithando, this and that, but bekuyinto okukhulunywa ngayo kuphela, ungayiboni manifesta. But manje njengoba simuva, if kukhulunywa nge-4th dimension, kukhulunywa nge-heart chakra, ukuthi sonke sivula ama-heart chakras wethu manje. We are more sympathetic to abanye abantu because manje sesiya-understand ukuthi umuntu ngabantu. Sesiya-understanda lokho literally. So if usivula i-heart chakra yethu manje, the next thing esizoyivula i-throat chakra, and then i-third eye and i-crown chakra and beyond. Ama-dimensions azomuva kanjalo-ke. There were times besisaphansi laphaya kwi-root chakra, ngaleso sikhathi ebesisa kule stage sokuthi yini i-fight or flight, sisafuna ukusurvive ngempela. Mhlawumbe uyihlalele ehlathini, ugada isilwane ngala, ugada umuntu ongamazi ngapha, ufuna ukudla, ufuna ukuthi ube lale phansi kwesihlahla unganethwa. Zamove ikhathi, we are moving with ama-dimensions. We really need to get on with the program ukuthi samuvela kwi-sacral lena yama-bodily senses and ama-satisfaction ethu ke sizi-satisfya-ke ngama-senses ethu omzimba, because that was the only thing esasinayo. But mase siya laphaya kwi-solar plexus enkabeni, wathola ukuthi leyo era leyo isiphethwa abantu aba-invent izinto abasebenzayo, abakwazi ukuthi bashintshe umhlaba, bawushintshe umhlaba ngezinto abazenzayo and leave a mark emhlabeni. Okukhona okwenzakalile-ke lapho ukuthi umuntu ongakwazanga yena ukuvula i-solar plexus yakhe abe powerful, enze izinto, maybe aqashe abantu basebenze yabo, lowo muntu lo ube yi-victim. The reason why abe yi-victim is because lo muntu lo uvula i-solar plexus yakhe bengayivulanga i-heart chakra. Uthe mevula i-solar plexus yena wase ephatha ngale ndlela eziyacindezela abanye abantu. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi kuke kwaba nama-slaves isikhathi esiningi because abantu aba-powerful bona bebekwazi ukuthi benze izinto phela ngoba bane-power, but bebengenayo i-heart chakra yokuba compassionate to abasebenzi as such. So ama-dimensions are move with time and with eras, and zisiqhubeka siya phambili nempilo. But manje sesikule sikhathi sokuthi kuvuleleke i-heart chakra yethu, singene kwi-4th dimension, vele sesiphakathi, ayisekho enye into, akusekho kubuyela emuva. And the more people bayakwenza lokho kuyaqhubeka. The theme manje eyokuthi noma ngabe yini oyenzayo, noma ngabe ukephi, noma ngabe uyasebenza, awusebenzi, uyasonta, awusonti, noma ngabe uyini lapho, lukhona yini uthando kuleyo nto leyo yenzayo phakathi, ngoba fanele kube khona uthando. Wazi futhi ukuthi you need to start with you. Zonke lezi zinto zishiwo kalula, uthola ukuthi there's a saying, there's a quote esho kanje nakanjena, it starts with you, it starts from within. But wena musashizile ubhekene nempilo, awu-understand ukuthi bakhuluma ngani, ngoba mina ngiyazama lana, ngiyahereza, mina akuvumi. Kanti no, lezi zinto lezi ezishiwo lightly, kukhona lapho esisuka khona. This is a spiritual journey that we are all in. We are all embarking on a spiritual journey here. All we need to do ukuthi si-understand ukuthi nje umuntu ngabantu, and lo muntu lo ophambi kwami uyimina kahle kahle. Uthi noma ngabe ugxeka umuntu ubuye nganeno, ngeke singagxekisa abantu, and we are conditioned ukuthi sizenze lezi zinto because of i-dimension ebesibuya kuyona. Sibasha kulento lena ye-4th dimension, sibasha asiyazi. But mawusuyi-understandile wayizwa, like this video mayifika kuwena, uzothinteka consciously, ngoba if kuwukuthi into obungakayazi or ubungakayiqondi, ungakayi-understand ngale ndlela uyi-understanda ngayo, manje usuzoba ne-intention every day ukuthi usuku lakho kufuneka lube ne-purpose, ukuthi likhona yini uthando kuleyo nto engiyenzayo, noma ngabe yini engiyenzayo. And uthando-ke enye into-ke sikhuluma ngothando lomuntu lokuzithanda wena, not uthando lama-relationships as such. But anyway, we are living in exciting times. I-consciousness yethu iyanyuka kakhulu. I think maybe we can discuss that some other time, indaba ye-consciousness, ngoba phela nayo it's one other thing eyenza ukuthi sibe yilabantu esiye bayibona, and ibalulekile ngendlela eyisimangaliso, but then again ke asikaze size sichazelwe kabanzi ngayo. Yeah, but anyway, love and light, it's good to be here.